Purdue University is an international leader in technology transfer and startup creation. One of those startups is Virtualis, which is commercializing innovations that could allow better virtual reality experiences for users, decreasing the effects of virtual reality sickness and increasing the amount of participation time in the simulator. The company was founded by David Whittinghill, an associate professor of computer graphics technology and computer information technology in Purdue's Polytechnic Institute.
So primarily it is that our perceptual systems of our visual and our vestibular are out of sync. Okay, so when we walk around in real life and we move through the world, our visual system tells us we're moving, and our vestibular system tells us we are moving. But in virtual reality, our visual tells us we're moving, but our vestibular is not getting that same input. So they're out of sync with one another. And that dissonance between the two is very jarring to our perceptual system.
Virtualis has created Nasum Virtualis, a virtual nose which acts as a fixed point of reference in the user's field of view that decreases the severity of virtual reality sickness symptoms, thus increasing the amount of time in a simulator while also remaining consciously undetectable.
One of the things that came up was we realized that if we had a visual fixed reference point in our field of view, it seemed to help. In particular, one of the guys was playing a game that had a cockpit that encased the user, and that helped quite a lot. We thought about this and said, hey, let's put in a nose, because the VR obstructs the view of your nose. We'll put a virtual nose in there. And we tested it and found that the group that could see the virtual nose did not get as sick, and they could do the simulation longer.
Virtualis has licensed the technology through the Purdue Research Foundation Office of Technology Commercialization. Nasum Virtualis is currently available for license, and the company is also offering other virtual reality consulting services and is continuing research on new technologies to help improve the user experience in virtual reality.
So the technology is available on a licensing basis, so you can either license it per unit or on an annual basis, or per experience in the case that you're going to have it maybe like at a theme park or something like that. The next steps for the company is we want to refine the technology. We have a suspicion that it might be more complicated than just a nose. It might be a matter of, is it your nose? So if you scanned in your own nose, would we have a differential effect? And we're also looking at ways of sort of predicting how much sickness you'll have in a given scenario. And plus we're working on content creation, so creating our own virtual experiences.
To find more information about this and other Purdue technologies, email innovation@prf.org or visit otc-prf.org/OTC.